Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to manage your deals and sales pipelines in the free Agile CRM plan. First, log into your account. Look at the left menu and click on Deals. This page shows all your deals in a pipeline view. To create a new deal, click the blue New Deal button. A form will pop up. Name your deal and set a value in the amount field. Choose a pipeline stage from the drop-down, like New Lead. Click the blue Save button. Now, to move a deal, go back to the Deals page. Find the deal in the list, click and hold on the deal card. Drag it from its current column and drop it into the next stage column. This updates its status instantly. To see more details, click directly on the deal's name. On the Detail page, update the value or add notes. Make your changes and click Save. Finally, to see your pipeline performance, look at the top of the Deals page. You'll see a forecast number and a chart showing deals in each stage. And that's it, you've created a deal and moved it through your pipeline. If this helped you track sales, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.